watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Welcome to our cozy farmhouse Halloween decor ideas. If your home has a farmhouse style, you can beautifully integrate Halloween decorations that complement its charm. Today, we'll explore stylish ideas to create a festive atmosphere without relying on cheesy decorations. Let's dive in. Modern porch decor. Decorate your porch with vibrant blooms, a black skeleton, fresh pumpkins, bats, witches' hats, and spiderwebs for a lively Halloween entrance. Heirloom pumpkin display. Use heirloom pumpkins alongside crows and potted blooms, adding spiderwebs and wall bats for a charming Halloween atmosphere. Cozy entrance. Layer rugs, add a couple of pumpkins, and incorporate potted blooms. The spiderwebs tie the look together perfectly for Halloween. Hay bales and crows. Style your entryway with hay bales, pumpkins, and crows, and a dried wreath with a bird as a stunning focal point. Greens and lanterns. For a cozy porch, mix potted greenery and branches, hang bats on the wall, and use pumpkins and candle lanterns for added warmth. Heirloom and black pumpkins. Feature a mix of heirloom pumpkins, including small black ones, alongside potted trees and candle lanterns to enhance your Halloween decor. Bats and leaves. Decorate your porch with heirloom pumpkins, potted blooms, and greenery, complemented by bats, leaves, and candle lanterns. White pumpkin accents. Create a fresh look with white pumpkins, pampas grass, and potted plants for a modern farmhouse Halloween style. Black and white theme. Incorporate spiderwebs and black bats in your entryway, along with black and white knit pillows, scary dolls, and seasonal signs. Dark arrangements. Style your entryway with a black vase filled with branches, a skull, a candle holder, bats, a witch skeleton, black pumpkins, and a ghost. Plaid and pumpkins. Use a plaid chair with a skeleton, cozy pillow, and fabric pumpkins in a galvanized bathtub for a warm farmhouse touch. Console table decor. On your console table, arrange baskets, skulls and clutches, burlap bunting, bats, and a vase filled with crows for a festive display. Pampas and blooms. Create an arrangement with pampas grass, seasonal blooms, and twigs, then add black bats for a hint of spookiness. Console table accents. Decorate your modern farmhouse console table with pampas grass, small velvet pumpkins, wall bats, and some seasonal pillows. Dining room styling. Set your neutral dining room with garlands, pampas grass, pumpkins, letters, and skulls for a festive Halloween table setting. Spooky entryway. Style your entryway with spiderwebs, a broom, black crows, pumpkins, and candles, plus a seasonal sign on the wall. Skeleton console display. Create a Halloween-themed console with a black vase of branches, black bats, and a skeleton on the table. Tulle and candles. Dress your entryway for Halloween with black tulle, a black skull, bats, candles, and a witch skeleton with a seasonal sign. Witch and pumpkin display. Use a witch skeleton alongside pumpkins, plaid pieces, bats, and witches' hats to create a playful Halloween entrance. Festive mantle. Adorn your mantle with leaf and cotton garlands, ghosts, cheesecloth, and candles for a cozy, rustic Halloween feel. We hope you enjoyed these cozy farmhouse Halloween decor ideas. By incorporating these stylish elements, you can create a warm environment for family and friends this Halloween season. Happy decorating!